let's find the solution to this problem. To make Q the subject of the relation, so we want to make Q the subject of the relation. So in this kind of problem, what you should do is to eliminate the power here first. And how are we going to do that? We're going to do that by taking the inverse power on both sides. So the inverse of 2 over 3 is 3 over 2, right? So we're going to take the inverse power. So that's going to be p raised to power 3 over 2 is equal to rk over q minus ms raised to power 2 over 3, and all raised to power what? 3 over 2. Now we know that the indices, when we have a raised to power n, all raised to power m, our answer is going to be a raised to power n times n. So it means this and this are multiplying each other. So this cancel out and this cancels out. So left it p raised to power 3 over 2 is equal to rk over q minus ms. Alright, now don't forget we are trying to what? Isolate q. So let us take this to the other side. We'll be having what? We're having p raised to power 3 over 2. And don't forget that whenever a term is crossing the equal to sign, it's going to change in the sign. So we're having minus ms, so it's going to change to plus ms equal to rk over q. Now don't forget, we are trying to what? Isolate q on one side. So let us cross multiply. Don't forget this is over 1, right? So by the time we what? Cross multiply, we're having this times this and this times what? Times this. So we are left with q times p raised to power 3 over 2 plus ms, right, is equal to rk. So we are left to divide both sides by p raised to power 3 over 2 plus ms over p raised to power 3 over 2 plus ms. So we are left with what? Q is equal to rk over p raised to power 3 over 2 plus ms. So this here is our answer. Thank you.